Let me give a quick shout out to TMS team. It's our first time. I'm really amazed how dynamic, engaged, and relevant event. Thank you. Thank you for having me to share my insight. Today I'm gonna dive into a little bit technical side, but I promise it will finish. It gets boring, even before Mr. Ali gives me the warning. What we do is we manufacture cargo tank coating. Sustainable tanker shipping, keeping in mind, we are looking for an answer for the simple questions. Can a cargo tank really contribute to sustainable tanker shipping? Maritime is considered as highly regulated industry, and yet it has been challenged by new regulation, both global and local regulations. On the other hand, we need profit. We need to sustain the business. All business exists to make money. And post-pandemic world is not helping us because the competition getting even harder, which is giving us a signal that success is not guaranteed. So competition is even more harder. In cargo tank coating area, first, let me dive into real technical in a couple slides to understand what we need to look at. Absorption, desorption, and recovery. This is what we translate into day-to-day operation is that absorption is basically chemical penetrated in the cargo tank coating. Desorption is to release the absorbed chemical, and recovery is basically when the tank coating is ready to load next cargo. This is very crucial because of its determined turnaround time of the tanker, our tankers, when they are ready to load the next cargo. It's very important for operators to know when the ship is ready to load the cargo. So there are many types of coating, mostly the old technologies around there. On the left-hand side is high absorption and low desorption coatings, which means cross-contamination, a lot of cross-contamination risk, slow turnaround, prolonged time of cleaning, and a lot of chemical cleaner consumptions. This is very important. More cleaning means more fuel on boiler. More chemical cleaner means more carbon footprint. In the middle section, we have high absorption, but also high desorptions. So it sounds like it can work, but unfortunately, the shipping environment is not the perfect as is simulated in lab. And on the right side, we have virtually non-absorption coating, which makes our turnaround really quick. Less fuel burning, less chemical cleaners consumptions. So how does it look, the technologies in the sketch? On the left side, the epoxies, the crosslinks are quite loose, whereas on the right side, we have higher crosslink coatings with less absorption properties. This is how it looks in real life, real microscope images. On the left side, again, epoxy. On the right side, high crosslinks coatings. As you can see that it's the surface on the high crosslink side, it creates a defense. It forms a defense against any chemicals, which means you don't have absorbed chemical. You can create a really, really quick turnaround, less cleaning, again, less fuel. So when we jump into the numbers, again, these numbers are found by the experts, but we realize that those numbers, operations are quite varied depending on the operators, trade pattern, and there are a lot of parameters on that one. But what we know that the projected fuel saving only for cleaning, operationally cleaning and right coating selection side is 3% per year, which if we translate this 3% per year to the metric ton, 40 to 50,000 metric ton per year. Average carbon content of marine fuels, 86%. CO2 production per ship is 140 to 160,000 metric ton per year. So 3% fuel saving per annum means 4,500 metric ton CO2 reductions. It's a significant number. That's the 1 minute warning. Thank you. Where we get this saving is in tank cleaning, we use hot water. If you have a right coating selections, basically you eliminate using the hot water time is up to 40, 50 hours comparing with the zinc silicate. This is important to that. And again, I want to highlight this point that less cleaning means quicker cargo turnaround. Less chemical cleaners consumptions and less fuel consumption.